Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about how much is the internal RAM availability and the storage availability in the POCO X8 Pro. And this is a 8GB and 256GB storage version which I'm trying to review in my channel. And these are the bloatware applications which came along with the device. So many games and so many applications which came along with the phone. And let me to show you what is the storage available. Before that, let me to disable this memory extension because I don't want to use the memory extension right now. So without any memory extension, I'm going to show you what will be the storage availability. Out of 256GB, how much GB will be available for the storage, for the usable storage. And we'll try to see what will be the 8GB RAM, how much the RAM also will be available after the initial unboxing. And this is my day one of using the device itself. So I'm going to show you exact all the settings and everything, like how much storage. And right now the phone is booting up. Let's wait for some time, yeah. So here's the phone and let's go to the storage option. And right now you can see 238GB is available right now. And apps and data taking about 376 MB and system files 14.47GB is the system files. And the system 11.04GB. So these are the storage availability details in the POCO X8 Pro device after the initial unboxing. And now let me to show you what is the RAM availability after, as you can see, out of 8GB, 4.5GB of 8GB is available. So this is what the RAM availability is there in the POCO X8 Pro after the first initial day of the unboxing. I did not install any other applications, Android benchmark test or any other application I did not install at all. And these are the few details you can actually get on this device, on the POCO X8 Pro. And in case if you have any other questions, let me know in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe and also stay tuned for watching more content in my channel, which I'm going to upload very soon. So stay tuned for those videos, guys. Until then, signing off, thank you for watching. And this is a quick information which I thought of sharing with you all, like what is the storage and RAM availability after unboxing, just to get a clear idea. Until then, signing off, thank you for watching and bye.